Our project is Jewel in a Jar. This is a beautiful gift idea and also to show the versatility of Tjhoko Paints. So I'm firstly going to unpack it. Comes with a beautiful trendy mandala stencil in a miniature size. Beautiful jade color called Jane's Jade. Stencil brush, leather, or some beautiful earrings. And then we have a pendant. Now you can use your creativity and decorate it in any way you like. I'm just going to inspire. And I'm simply going to dip my earrings in the paint. And then my second one, they don't need to look the same. And this can also be done in any Tjhoko color of your choice. I'll be hanging them to dry. And next I'm going to decorate my pendant. Once again, you can apply the stencil the way you wish. I'm going to do it off center. Dip my stencil brush in my paint. You need a little bit of paint. I remove any excess on my drop sheet. Secure the stencil with my hand, my free hand. Make sure it doesn't move, press it down. And while I'm showing you how to do this, Eloise is taking some beautiful pictures for our Instagram page. I will be applying 2 coats of the Jane's Jade just to make sure it pops enough. Always important is to wait for a first coat of paint to dry before start applying the next. Something nice about the pendant, also creative, is to just turn it around, and on the other side you can apply a different color, different stencil pattern, different technique. And I'm quite happy. I'm going to remove my stencil, and with my leather band I'll be putting it in from the back to the front. And there's a gift idea. We can even decorate our gift bag with the same stencil, the same paint color, and we can simply have fun. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paints.